Today, we are using 1.6 Earths to give us what we need to live, eat, and grow our economies. We are planting and polluting nature's resources, treating it as a dumping ground for plastic and waste. If we don't act now, we could lose 1 million species in the next few decades. But it doesn't have to be this way. What if I told you there is a solution? Yes, we all know it's called ecosystem restoration. But there are some actions we need to take it today. What it is? Growing trees, restoring our farmlands, restoring our forests, etc. For example, conservation of the mangroves. Conservation of these mangrove ecosystem will protect our coastlines from storm and flood. So, here is my aim, to restore the wetlands and mangrove conservations with a bit more profit to the economy. Building economy around nature will create jobs for the future. Restoring them is not a simple task and not easy too, but together we can do it.